This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. As of 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the water in multiple states has been contaminated with botulism. This situation is currently unfolding in the states of Georgia, Nevada, Oklahoma, Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, South Dakota and Idaho. If you drink the contaminated water, you will face certain death. Just one sip of the contaminated water can kill you. A clear giveaway that shows that the water is contaminated is that the water will not be clear, but instead be dark red in color. The borders and interstates of the previously mentioned states are closed and no one is allowed in or out. If you are found entering or exiting these states, you will be arrested and questioned. Bottled water is still safe to drink at this time. Multiple water plants are being turned off to prevent the spread of the infected water. Around 200,000 deaths have been reported in the last hour. More information will be given when found. Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the contaminated water has been reported in the following areas: northern Florida, northern Texas, eastern Texas, northern New Jersey, Long Island, New York, southern New York, all of South Carolina, all of Arkansas, southern Missouri, southern North Dakota, the upper Michigan Peninsula, southwestern Utah, northwestern Arizona, eastern Oregon, and western Montana. Anyone in those areas are advised to evacuate or shelter in place now. It is assumed that the contaminated water will continue to spread. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message is being broadcasted as requested by the United States government. The contaminated water has been confirmed to be harmful to even make contact with your skin. It has also spread to more areas, including New Mexico, Connecticut, California, Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Wisconsin, Washington State, Nebraska, Delaware, Pennsylvania and Canada. The contaminated water is now extremely lethal and is spreading faster than it was earlier. You are advised to evacuate as far away from the water as soon as possible, as just breathing in the fumes of it can kill you almost instantly, and more than 1 million people has died. More information will be given when acquired.